Hi guys, gonna have a lock picking video for you. It's the ABUS 8550. It's just came through on the post here. Let me try and open it on camera for you. And I'm going to be using move this camera around a bit. Going to be using this new blade, which is a Rolson that was very kindly sent to me by Slim Pickings from UK Lock Sport. You can open it one-handed. There you go. And he very kindly sent me these extra blades for it as well. So thank you, Slim Pickings. If you haven't saw Slim Pickings videos, he's a fantastic picker. So let's give this a go. It looks like a 5-pin padlock. There's the bit number key there. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway and my usual tool, which is a short hook. Applying a bit of tension to try and find a binding pin. Pin 3. These keys are making so much noise. Start again. Felt like pin 2 has gone into a full set there. Touch pin 5, that's moved slightly the core. Pin 4. Pin 2, and I've got my full set back. You can see if you move from the 12 o'clock position. Pin 2. Can't find the next binding pin, so I'm in trouble with this. Pin 3. There we go. Pin 4 is okay. Pin 3 is okay. Movement on 2. There we go, that's set. That's pin 3, slightly touched. There we go. Cheers guys, that's the ABUS 8550.